So now in this section, we will learn wrapper classes, autoboxing, and unboxing. So first up, we're going to learn what the wrapper class is. Then we'll cover conversion of primitive types and wrapper classes. And then we'll go over autoboxing and unboxing concepts that come with Java 5. What is wrapper class? Now there's an obvious joke in here, but I want to stay as serious as can be. Wrapper classes are used for converting primitive data types into objects, like byte to byte, int to integer, char to character, etc. The primitive data types are not objects, so they don't belong to any class, and they are defined in the language itself. So sometimes it's required to convert data types into wrapper objects in the Java language. So the primary benefit of this process is the wrapper class of a particular primitive type can hold a lot of information, and it provides useful functions such as conversion from one type to another and all other suitable functionalities, in fact. You can see the wrapper classes of primitive types on this table here. The wrapper classes are defined in the java.lang package.